Ever pondered what life might be like, not on Mars or the Moon, but in the atmosphere of Venus? Let's introduce our celestial next-door neighbor, Venus, often overshadowed and neglected due to its notoriously inhospitable conditions. Yet imagine colonies suspended in the Venusian atmosphere, floating like ethereal islands in an alien sea, a concept so fantastical it teeters on the edge of science fiction. Sounds like science fiction, right? However, it might be closer to reality than you think. Before we dive into the possibilities, we must first understand the challenges that Venus presents. Venus, our neighboring planet, is a world of extremes. Its environment is strikingly harsh and cruel, making it a formidable challenge to any notion of human settlement. The first challenge that Venus presents is its scorching temperatures. The planet is the hottest in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, even though Venus is further from the Sun. This intense heat is primarily due to the thick atmosphere of Venus, which creates a severe greenhouse effect. The other challenge is the atmospheric pressure. The pressure on Venus's surface is around 92 times that of Earth. To put it into perspective, that's similar to the pressure experienced about half a mile deep in Earth's oceans. This crushing pressure would make traditional colonization untenable, posing significant risks to both human health and technological equipment. Lastly, we must talk about the clouds of Venus, which are not fluffy, white, and benign, as one might imagine. Instead, they are composed primarily of sulfuric acid. This corrosive composition means that any unprotected equipment, or worse, humans, would be rapidly destroyed. These conditions, the sizzling temperatures, the crushing pressure, and the corrosive clouds, create a trifecta of extreme conditions that make Venus a literal hell for potential colonizers. The human body is not built to withstand such harsh environments, and our current technology would struggle to function in such inhospitable conditions. Any mission to Venus would have to contend with these hurdles, designing equipment and potential habitats that could survive against all odds. So with these extreme conditions, you might wonder, how could humans possibly survive there? Well, the answer lies not on Venus's surface, but high above it, in its atmosphere. Imagine it, floating cities, colonies suspended in the golden clouds of Venus, a vision straight out of science fiction. But could this fantastical idea be a tangible reality in our future? Could we truly inhabit the atmosphere of our neighboring planet? Around 50 kilometers above the unforgiving surface of Venus, conditions begin to resemble something more akin to our home. Temperatures cool down to a comfortable range, and the atmospheric pressure becomes strikingly similar to that of Earth's. This notable shift in conditions has sparked the interesting proposition of establishing human habitats in Venus's atmosphere. Imagine entire communities suspended in the Venusian clouds, living and working in a world literally above and beyond our own. These habitats could be comprised of aerostat structures or cloud cities, kept afloat by the dense Venusian atmosphere. Living within the clouds of Venus would not only provide an intriguing solution to the challenges of surface habitation, but it would also offer a breathtaking view of the Venusian landscape and the vast expanse of space beyond. As humanity continues its quest for interplanetary living, the idea of life in the clouds of Venus is becoming less of a dream and more of a potential reality. Living in the clouds of Venus might seem like a dream, but it could be a potential solution to humanity's quest for interplanetary living. So, what have we learned about the idea of living in Venus's atmosphere? As we've journeyed through this celestial thought experiment, we've grappled with the harsh realities of Venus, a world where the surface roasts at temperatures hot enough to melt lead and the skies rain sulfuric acid. Yet, despite these formidable challenges, we've also explored the tantalizing potential of floating colonies. These cloud cities, suspended high above Venus's inhospitable surface, could offer us a foothold in the atmosphere of our sister planet. The concept might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's rooted in real-world physics and engineering. The potential for human habitation in Venus's atmosphere is more than just a dream. It's a symbol of our species' relentless curiosity, a testament to our ability to reach beyond the confines of our home planet. While we are still a long way from building floating cities in the Venusian atmosphere, the idea itself is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of the stars.